everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a do's and don'ts on everyday makeup. The first and the most important step is primer. You only need very little amount of primer for your face. Dot the primer on the areas where you need it and gently dab it in. You do not need a whole lot of primer. It will only make your face greasy. You only need primer in the problem areas. For example, this primer blurs out the pores, so I'm just going to apply it when my pores are large. Next up, foundation. Firstly, get a foundation shade that matches your skin tone. To check the shade of the foundation, you want to match the shade of your foundation to your face and neck. Just like so, and that's how you'll get the right shade of foundation. Dot the foundation all through your face up till your neck to blend it well, and dab with the beauty blender. What you don't want to do is checking the shade of the foundation on your hand. Don't go for a shade lighter, that will only make your base look unnatural. Never apply foundation just for your face. You want to work it all the way to your neckline. And never rub your beauty blender on your face to blend your foundation. It will just make your base look greasy and streaky. Also, as we are going for a natural base, you do not want to cake up your foundation. For your concealer, some of the do's are: apply just 2 lines of concealer underneath your eyes to cover dark circles and apply the concealer on your blemishes or pigmentation. On the other hand, some don'ts are making a big inverted triangle underneath your eyes or going overboard with your concealer and rubbing it in. After applying your concealer and foundation, remember to seal it with a compact or a loose powder. In that way, it will stay in for a longer period of time. Next, we are going in with the contouring, highlighting and blush. For contour, go with a small brush like this, and instead of making a fish face, try to pout and smile, and that will help you locate your cheekbones better. Apply your contour on your cheekbones and blend it upwards. Do not use a brush like this to contour your face, as you'll end up creating a 5 o'clock shadow onto your face. Always highlight your face before applying your blush, as it will get blended easily later. Blush is meant to give you a little bit of natural flush and color back into the skin, because you kind of wipe it out with all the foundation. And so I'm just going to swirl my brush into the blush pan and tap the excess off, and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheek and blend it backward. Always remember to tap off the excess of the blush, otherwise you'll end up with too much of blush on your cheeks, and you don't want that clown-like color onto your cheeks. Some of the don'ts for highlighters are: do not put too much of highlighter onto your pores, as it will create a texture. Do not apply highlighter underneath your eyes, because you don't want your under eyes to be very bright, as it can give you a flashback in photograph. Jumping in with the eyeshadows, start from the outer corner and use mattes for your crease. Start with a lighter color and build it up with a darker color. Apply shimmers that matches your skin tone and dab it onto your eyelids. What you don't want to do is starting from the inner corner and using a very dark color first, and then going in with a lighter color for your transition. In this way, it will look really tacky. And do not go for a bright golden or silver shimmer color for an everyday look. Keep your brows really simple. I like to go in with my brows with a really light hand. You can always go in later. Always start it from the middle. After I draw my brows, I'm going to comb it with the spoolie from the other end. What you don't want to do is, do not overline your brows or drag it too long down. And you really don't want to go overboard with your brows, because you'll only end up looking like Shin Chan. For my mascara, I'm going to roll the mascara wand on my eyelashes rather than just wiggling it back and forth. That will just clump your eyelashes together and give you a very clumpy eyelash. For an everyday look, try to use a lip gloss or a nude lipstick. Do not overline your lips with a red liquid lipstick, because it will really look So that was it, you guys. I hope you all found it useful. These were just some of the do's and don'ts. If you all want to watch more such videos, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.